Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Carrot plus eek plus id. Carrot, eek, id. Karate Kid. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Cymraeg.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. We're going to wrap up the week today on a high note, I'm sure. Happy birthday to you. We have two September babies here. John Radke was the gentleman on my left, and I guess I should wish you happy birthday today.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you.
Congratulations. I won't ask you how old you were.
Okay.
Paige Pollard, his opponent in this match, had her birthday yesterday, and I didn't know about it. You didn't say anything. Happy birthday. That's all right.
I was going to.
Yeah, do you usually celebrate your birthday in a big way, or do you tend to push it aside? You don't like the thought of aging?
I don't like getting older.
Really?
Yeah.
Getting older is fun.
No.
It's part of the natural process.
Yeah, but after you hit after 25, you give up.
Yeah, you see, well, I know. I've experienced that twice. The natural process goes along, and then the supernatural process begins, and you wind up like me. A tribute to all of the plastic surgeons in Beverly Hills. 74 years old if I'm a day. Take a look over here. We'll show you some of the prizes you're competing for in Game 1. Stop laughing, Marjorie.
To enhance your home, this beautiful column floor lamp and two melon table lamps are fashioned in Hydrostone. Available in any Ameritone color and are furnished by Lighting Reflections. Alex.
And where will we find those lamps on our board? We'll show you dead center designer lamps at number 13. John, you get to pick first today. We have a holiday on the Isle of Aruba.
Ooh, that would be very nice.
Aruba is not too far from Curaçao.
I haven't heard of that one. I've heard of Aruba before. Let's see that. Let's start out with number 3 to look for the table lamps.
Gas barbecue.
Gas barbecue.
Close to Aruba.
Close. And number 5 for the match.
Microwave oven. Paige?
Oh, well, I'd love to go to Aruba. Let's see if we can find the trip or a wild card under number 23, please.
Motorcycle.
I'd like that because my husband doesn't want me to ride. Let's see if
You
we can
like
find
that just to spite him?
Just to spite him.
Oh,
Let's see
dear.
if I can find the wild card or natural match under number 14, please.
1-4 is diamond earrings. No match. John?
Well, let's see if I can get my girlfriend some earrings this time. Under number 6.
Physician's scale.
Physician's scale. It's interesting. Let's look if we can find a match or wild card under number 10.
Gas barbecue. No match. Paige?
Okay, I know we saw that gas barbecue under number 3.
Correct.
And the match under number 10, please.
There we go, an early match in this first game, and it's an important one for both players because this is really sudden death. Whoever loses today leaves the program. Let's, Paige is waving goodbye to John, but we don't know if she's leaving and waving goodbye or if he's leaving and she's waving goodbye to him.
Either way.
Either way, it works. All right, open it up. Select again, Paige.
Let's see what's behind number 21, please.
Recliner.
Recliner. Well, I know someone in my household would like that. Let's see if we can find a match under number 15, please.
Red take. No match. John?
Well, she showed me a lot of stuff. I still want to look for Aruba. Let's look under number 20.
Recliner.
Recliner. And number 21 for the match.
Recliner. There you go. Each of our players has a match. Each of our players has a prize. And John gets to study the puzzle with 2 more doors opening up. Unfortunately, they don't reveal all that much. Select again.
Okay, we'll keep going. Let's keep looking for Aruba under number 24.
Woman's wardrobe.
Yeah, it wouldn't look too good on me, but...
You have a girlfriend.
I do have a
here.
girlfriend, yes. This is true.
Someone very special.
Very special, yes.
Yeah.
And let's look for a match or wild card under number 12.
Wild card, so that makes it a match. The other woman's wardrobe is at number 17. You're going to find out how special this girl is and how highly she thinks of you later today. If she gives you a really nice birthday present.
There you go.
If she doesn't, if she's completely forgotten about it, is she in the audience today?
Yes, she is.
Then she will not have forgotten about it because we have told her, get out to the store now. 3 doors open up. Select again.
Okay, we still haven't found a rube at all. Let's look under number 22.
Green take.
Green take, and I believe she showed me that under number 14.
Diamond earrings. Paige, here's your chance.
See if we can find those. Number 11, please.
Wild card.
I'm going to get that motorcycle under number 23.
You are, huh? All right, the motorcycle under number 23, and it pairs up with the motorcycle under number 1. 3 more panels opening up, this time for Paige Pollard. Select again, Paige.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 19, please.
Microwave oven.
I believe we saw, let's see what's behind number 4.
I think that's where we saw it. But
No.
no, we're wrong. John may
I
know.
believe, Paige, you gave that to me because I think it's under number 5.
Hey, we were just 1 square off, John.
But this isn't horseshoes. Let's look under number 19 for the match.
Microwave oven is in the head.
There we go.
All right. Open it up for him, please.
Georgia upon my mind.
Is it Georgia upon my mind? No, it is not.
Okay, let's look under number 16.
Green take.
Green take. And number 15 for the match.
Red take. Paige.
Okay, I think that green take was under number 18. Okay, and 15 for the match for the red.
Boy, you vamped beautifully on that one. I think the green one's there. Oops, it's the red, but I just saw the red, so it'll work out.
I'm going to take the woman's wardrobe because I think I know it.
You have to fight with my girlfriend for that one.
The woman's wardrobe is going over to Paige, and she gets a chance to win the game and play for a car again if she can solve the puzzle as we open these 2 panels.
I think it's Georgia on my mind.
Is it Georgia on my mind? Yes, it is. Poor John, that's 2 games. 2 games in which you have virtually given Paige the solution. Just one little error. Let's go, Paige. Let's go to the board and you can explain it.
Okay,
Thank
first,
John again.
Thank you, John. That's 2 times. You're a sweet birthday boy. We've got George here with for Georgia. The light bulb is on for Georgia on. Then we have an M plus an I for my, a mine plus D, mind. Georgia on my mind.
Well done. John, I've got to ask you, there was a little bit of the you showing, and I wonder if that threw you off, and that's what led you to say, upon my mind. Well, that's unfortunate, but you did win some prizes. You've got over $1,400, so congratulations on that.
Thank you.
2 strikes against you, so we have to say goodbye. So long, John. Take care. All right, Paige. Let's hear about your winnings. Gene.
A gas barbecue, and a woman's complete wardrobe. Cherokee, a choice of apparel and shoes for an unusual combination of fashion and comfort. In junior, Missy, petite, and women's sizes, furnished by Cherokee. And a motorcycle. Loosen up and have some fun with a Honda ZB50 motorcycle. Handles everything from around the block to around the town. Compact size and lightweight, designed to make it easy to maneuver and transport. And these prizes total $2,035.
And Paige promises me that she's going to win the car this time because she knows she'll have 40 seconds, and she's been practicing at home with about 40 seconds, and she does it every time. You'll see if she succeeds right after this. Paige, you look so calm. You really do enjoy this part of the game, don't you?
I'm much more relaxed at this part. I know everyone says this is the harder part, but I prefer this.
All right, here are the 15 numbered squares, and we're up to 40 seconds on the clock, so good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 2,
No.
11, 13,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
14, 1,
No.
2, 14,
Right.
3, 10,
No.
7, 3,
Right.
6, 10,
No.
11, 6,
Right.
9, 4,
Nope.
1, 9.
Interesting, you were 2 cars short again. But you made a few mistakes early on, and that threw you off.
Yeah.
But you didn't panic, you just kept at it. So maybe you'll need 45 seconds.
Just get those last 2.
All right, you've got $3,047 in prizes, and we'll be introducing a new opponent for you right after we take time out for some important commercials.
Our moms.
Paige, we have a new opponent for you, and his name is Damon Jones.
Hi,
Hello,
Alex.
Damon.
How are you?
Gosh, you look familiar.
Well, I'm from Beaverton, Oregon. Have you ever been up to Beaverton?
No. What do you do up there in Beaverton, Oregon?
Well, I'm living in Los Angeles right now. I have been for the past 5 years. I'm waiting tables in Los Angeles.
Why did you leave Beaverton?
Well, I like the sun here in California and
They
the
have
beach.
sun in Beaverton.
Well, they have plenty of sun, but it's sparse and in between.
In between what? Clouds?
The rain, yes.
Yes, all right. Good luck to you today.
Thank you,
Have
Alex.
some fun with us. Take a look over here. I hope you guys are musically inclined because this is a super prize.
The contemporary Young Chang Kondo console piano with its beautiful patented ebony finish is handcrafted from fine materials and built to last. Furnished by Young Chang. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Don't worry, folks. We do not damage the piano. We put a little wax on the bottom of Marjorie's pantyhose, and it just keeps those keys glistening. Paige and Damon, take a look at our board, and we will show you where you can find Young Chang's piano. It's at number 8. $700 in the cash pot, Damon, and we have an Arizona golf resort vacation.
Ooh.
You get to pick first.
Thank you. Let's take a look under number 21 for that golf vacation.
Ooh, we have luggage.
Luggage for the golf vacation. Let's see if we can find a match or wild card under number 5, please.
No, we have a diamond gold brooch. Paige Pollard.
I would love to go to Arizona. Let's see what's behind number 19.
Color television.
Color TV. Let's see if we can find the natural match under number 1.
Red take. No match. Damon.
Okay, let's take a look under number 7, please.
Number 7.
Luggage, and I think I have that match under number 21, please.
21 is the match. Yes, you did it naturally. And we have just the one wild card helping you guys out in this game. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 panels.
Is it Bridge over River Kwai?
Is it Bridge over River Kwai? No, it is not. Nice try for Bridge over River Kwai.
Okay, let's take a look under number 25, please.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. Good, my rug needs to be vacuumed. How about a look under number 15?
Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation. Paige, you said you really wanted to
I really
have...
like Arizona.
Now, is it just Arizona or the fact that with the 2 little ones at home, you feel that now is about the right time to take a nice break?
Well, we were thinking about moving to Arizona.
Oh, yeah?
My husband was thinking about transferring over there, so I haven't had a chance to
This
see
would be
it.
a great
So I would
opportunity for you to
love
go there,
a paid trip to
take
go
a
see
look
the state.
around, yeah, check it out, and then decide whether you want to move there.
You bet. So let's see if we can find the other Arizona under number 3.
Vacuum cleaner.
I think we just saw the other one under number 20.
Nope.
Nope, that's cash pot.
Cash pot. Damon?
I believe we saw the vacuum cleaner under number 25.
Right?
And a match under number 3, please.
You are correct. If you win this game, your rug will thank you forever. Open it up. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 18, please.
Green take.
Green take. Try a match or wild card under number 1.
Red take. Paige, over to you.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 24, please.
Well, now that's the cash pot.
Cash pot, and the match to that was number 20.
Cash pot is right, yes. $700 up there for you, Paige. And a chance to study the puzzle again.
Is it London Bridge is falling down?
Is it London Bridge is falling down? Falling down,
Had to
falling
try.
down. London Bridge is falling down.
My
What's it?
fair lady.
Thank you.
Let's see what's behind number 2, please.
Diamond cufflinks.
Cufflinks. See if we can find the match under number 6, please. The red take.
Red take, the dreaded red take.
Okay, let's take a look under number 1, please. And the match under number 6.
The dreaded red takes appear in each position, and you get them.
I'm going to hold on to that just for a moment, please, Alex.
Alrighty.
Just for a moment.
Open it up, please. Go again.
Okay, I need to see what's under number 17, please.
Compact disc
Ooh,
player.
that'd be nice. Let's take a look under number 22, please.
Diamond and gold brooch. Paige?
Yeah, I know we've seen that already. Let's see. Was it number 11?
No, that's the green
take. And number 22?
Diamond and gold brooch. Damon?
Okay, I think we saw that diamond brooch under number 9.
No, that's the color TV.
Let's see what's under number 12, please.
Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation. Paige just sat up in her chair.
Oh, you bet. Number 12, Arizona. And number 15. I know it's there.
I know it's there, too. And it is for the lady. A holiday and some cash to spend on that holiday.
That would be
Hers
great.
to keep if she solves this puzzle. Right cheer. Obviously, it's a confusing puzzle, isn't it? That big symbol on the left side. Hard to figure. Go again, Paige.
Okay, how about number 18, please? Green take. And number 16? Oh,
Nope. Sorry.
my brain's not with me.
It's all right. Damon?
Let's try number 11, please.
Green take.
And number 18.
Green take. You got a choice, young man.
Let's go to Arizona.
All right. Arizona is what he wants. The Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation. And 2 doors swinging open.
Brigitte Bardot.
Is Brigitte Bardot. Yes. Let's go to the board. Yes.
Okay. Well, I saw the bridge, and I was trying to figure what was bridge, and bridge, and this is a rocket, bridge, Bardot. Is that close?
Not quite.
What is that? That's a jet. Bridge plus jet, bar and dough. Brigitte Bardot. Sorry, Alex.
Maybe Brigitte Bardot has a middle name. Bridget Rocket
Yeah.
Bardot.
It's a nickname.
Paige, sorry it didn't work out. 2
Well,
strikes
thank
against you,
you.
but you did win some prizes, and we thank you for being with us on the show. Take care.
you.
So long. And happy birthday again, even though it's belated.
Oh, yes.
All right, Damon. Gene, tell him about his prizes.
A vacuum cleaner and luggage. Pegasus Luggage presents the Countryside Collection, crafted in the USA from fine woven tapestries featuring an elegant floral pattern furnished by Pegasus Luggage and an Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tucson. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And we'll send you to sunny Arizona for a 7-day, 6-night luxury vacation at the Sheraton Tucson El Conquistador Golf and Tennis Resort. This award-winning 4-star hotel is a desert oasis at the foot of the scenic Santa Catalina Mountains. A prize package worth $3,123.
Good win for your first game. All right, we'll see if you can win a brand new car when we return following this break. Don't mess with Marjorie. I tell you, don't mess with her. You ready for this?
I'm ready, Alex.
You look as if you're in a trance.
I am.
Just,
Bring in to get it in 35 seconds.
you bet it helps. 15 numbered squares. I'm in a trance most of the time. 35 seconds on the clock. Take a deep breath. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No again.
7, 8,
Nope.
10, 11,
Nope.
13, 5,
Nope.
8, 14,
Nope.
10, 15,
Nope.
2, 13,
Yep.
4, 10,
Nope.
14, 4,
Yep.
15, 10. I need work on my trance, I think.
Sometimes the trance just doesn't kick in the way it's supposed to. It's not like overdrive, you know?
I wasn't humming at the same time.
That's it, yes. But you've got $3,123 in prizes, which is pretty good going. You're going to get to go to Arizona, play golf, maybe with your friend, if he's nice to you. If not, get rid of him.
Especially if he doesn't beat me,
Yeah, that's it. Let him give you about 3 shots aside.
Yeah, at least.
And then play him $100 Nassau. We'll take a break. And we'll hear from Gene also, won't we?
Some of today's participants may receive. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces furnished by Pasta Mama. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Going to work on his trance over the weekend, and we'll see you all right here again, we hope, on Monday. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.